Hello guys, welcome to how to fix tech. In this video guys, if you are facing this issue, virus threat protection found and start recommended action, so you can click on start action and you can simply quarantine that. So how to quarantine that? Just open the Windows security here, and if issue is big here, you can quarantine that, like take a action on here, and simply you can quarantine that, and you can also delete it. But after applying these also, this method is not working, so you can delete its history since it has stored in the system cache. So you have to go to this location guys, see program data Microsoft Windows. Let me go how to do that. Open the file explorer, this PC, C drive, and in here you might not see the program data, so go to view and click on hidden items. Just tick this box here, and in the Windows 11 you can also do the same setting here. Let me show how to do in Windows 11 also. See, you can see there is no program data in it, so go to here, view and show, and then click on this option hidden items. Now I'm able to see it. So you have to double click on program data guys. In Windows 10 and 11 both step will be same. Then look for the Windows Microsoft first, and then look for Windows Security Defender, and after that scans, click on yes. Okay, if you are getting this issue, you don't have permission to it, we have to assign the right click on the scan folder, or you can right click on the Windows Defender folder guys, and go to its properties, then go to security. We have to change the ownership, click on advanced. Now in here change ownership to your current account, so this option is gray out guys. Let me edit it. Okay, so administrator has full right to perform this step. So let me sign in with the administrator in this PC. We have to check the administrator account is enabled or not. By default the other user does not have that permission, so I can see the administrator here, so I have to sign out guys. So this is the method you have to do. Now I can take the same system here, so make sure you have login with the administrator account first. And I will also get the errors in same in this Windows 10 computer, so that's why I have taken Windows 11 to show you guys, so that I can sign out the system. Now follow the same process. Okay, Windows app data, look for this option, show hidden devices. Now program data, okay, and then look for Microsoft, look for Windows Defender, and I should not get the error now. Double click on scans. We have to click on this option history, and then we have to tick all 4 options here except the cache manager. Just we have to shift and delete button, and just yes, do the current item. Now all should be deleted here, and once you refresh that you should not get any kind of error now. So now once you done this process guys, you should good to go, and your issue should fix now. So I have to restart the system, guys. You also have to restart the system, and it should fix your issue now, guys. So this is how you can troubleshoot the issue. So hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.